We'll guide you through how to check voicemail on an Android phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So, voicemail is essentially where if you don't answer the phone or you miss it, somebody can go and leave you a voicemail. So we're going to guide you through checking this. Make sure you watch this full guide and don't skip ahead as we're guiding you through how it's done. So to go and get started, you want to come into the phone app, it should be at the bottom. You can sometimes go and swipe up and find it here or search for the top and you should be able to find it and you can open it up. Now you need to come to the bottom and you want to go and press keypad and you'll be here. So what you can then do is come onto the keypad and to go and start this, you go and hold 1. Like so, you'll go and feel like a little vibrate potentially, and then it should go and automatically call voicemail. Keep listening and it's going to tell you what you need to do.
To listen to your messages, press 2.
It says here to listen, I need to press 2. So in this case, I've got no messages to go and listen to, but if you did, then go and play.